Backing out of animal cruelty enforcement, the Ontario Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals is calling the old model outdated, a private organization publicly funded with police powers. So what does this mean locally? CTV's Heather Centerin has been looking into this today. Heather, what will enforcement officers do now?
Megan, the agency's 65 enforcement officers will be offered different jobs within the organization. OSPCA says only 20% of its services are related to cruelty investigations, but the changes still spark concerns in the community.
The Kitchener-Waterloo Humane Society says there's more questions than answers after the OSPCA backed out on enforcing animal cruelty laws.
Our concern is who's going to do that, who's going to enforce the provincial legislation.
The 3 local OSPCA officers who work with the shelter will be moved to other positions.
In 2018, the local Humane Society's OSPCA agents and inspectors investigated more than 750 animal cruelty cases. This year, there's already been close to 100.
That work will end by March 31st. After 100 years, Ontario's Animal Welfare Agency says it will not sign a new contract with the province. The organization says officer safety is one of the reasons.
We're dealing with emotional situations. You're dealing with people and their animals. It can be highly charged.
This comes after a court ruled OSPCA's enforcement powers to be unconstitutional.
You know, the fact that we're a charity and fundraising to do the government's work.
Raised funds from the public, including potentially from those individuals over whom it would enforce its laws.
The National Animal Law Advocacy Organization, Animal Justice, supports OSPCA's decision to withdraw from enforcement.
The province needs to move towards an animal cruelty enforcement regime that is more robust and properly funded, transparent, and accountable.
Meantime, locally, the Humane Society is encouraging the public to call them if there's an animal cruelty case. If it's bylaw related, they can help. If not, it will be passed on to police.
Where our hands become tied is being able to remove a dog or seize a pet.
The Minister of Community Safety says she will be actively reviewing the implications of this change to find a solution that works for everyone, one that ensures animal welfare is always upheld and enforced. Heather Centerin, CTV News, Kitchener.